Hi, this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners. Hello, this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners. I'm doing a video review of the ETFs. Leading groups are where the leading stocks are, and leading stocks are where the leading groups are. It sounds cute and corny, but it's a fact. Buy strength, don't buy weakness. Strength continues to stay strong. Weakness continues to stay weak. You want to ride a trend? Well, to me, a trend means it's going up in price. If an industry is going up in price, the stocks in that industry are going up in price. That's why we look at the ETFs. It helps us see what areas are strong, what areas to focus on to make money, put money in, and hopefully make money, and areas to avoid. That's why we do it. And I want to share this with you. Now, what I've done here is here's the list of ETFs. Sometime during the week, I'm going to share a great tactic with you. I've been doing this for 30 years. Don't sort it by don't sort it alphabetically. Sort it by up percent. If you do that, you will see strength during the day, and that can lead and guide you into the various areas with either the ETF or the stocks in that industry group. And you're going to see what I mean in just a minute. So biotech's just going sideways. Ran up, pulled back, fell on a slight pickup in volume, nothing bad. Right here, that's a good bar. Look at the volume on that bar. And look at the close on that bar. Just going sideways. Leading ETF. Cloud computing has been strong. Look at the trend. Look at the trend, which is why we've been involved. See this move here? I want to show you something. Look at this animal. Take a look at this and look at when this thing was hitting all-time highs on May 8th. You see that? Now, this is going to help you. Here's this, and here's the leveraged, or here's the spiders, lagging. S&P 500, nothing. Cloud computing, way strong, leading into new high grounds. What does that tell you? If you were looking at these charts back in April and May, you would have said, geez, maybe I should look at some cloud computing stocks. And look at what they've done. I rest my case. Now you know why we do what we do. On down the list, IBD 50, picking up a little bit. Let's go to the daily here. IBD 50, picking up. Fell a bit on Friday on a pickup in volume. The trend is still up, but that was some pretty heavy volume selling. We'll have to watch it. This is the ETF. Well, you can see, focuses on the max list stocks. And it's been doing nicely, which is, again, we've been involved in max list stocks for quite a while, moving around in them. Gold miners, hanging in, fell a little bit, not the end of the world, but hanging in. Here's the junior gold miners, trending up. Look at that, just trending. Look at the breakout here in July. Look at the volume pickup, nice long base. You buy it right there around 48.5, 49. You can get 49 to 60. Hey, let me see here. I don't think I need a calculator. That's 10 points on 50. That's a 20% gain, folks. Just walking, trending. Now you know why we do what we do. Look at gold. Look at the lift in gold. If you were watching this way back here or in here, you would have said, maybe I should buy GLD or buy some gold stocks. That's why we do this. Biotechnology. Is there any leadership going on with this right now? Nah. Just move on. By the way, don't overthink it. Don't dwell on it. Just go to the next one. Technology. Look at how this has been moving. You want to see something cool? Look at this beast. Look at that move. Leading the market. When the market was languishing, this sucker's taken off. Technology. What's it tell you? Hey, focus on some technology stocks. And yeah, we have been for a while. Been in them. Home builders. Now here's a great lesson for you. The world is ending. We've got the election, we've got COVID-19, we've got the protest, everything's bad, everybody's out of work, retailing's shutting down, nobody's buying anything, and the home builder index is at an all-time high. You tell me. You tell me. You can read the newspapers or you can watch the charts. They'll tell you what to do. IWM, small cap picking up. Look at that. This is good. What could this indicate? Maybe the rally's spreading out from the big stocks to the smaller ones. MDY, mid-cap picking up a little bit. No real volume here, but picking up, starting to spread out. Oil services, below the falling 200-day move on. Software, been leading for a long time. Look at the weekly on this. I mean, it's been going up. What's that caused us to do? We've been looking at this every week with the VIPs. Yeah, guess what? We've been involved with software. Been good. NASDAQ 100, fine. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that move. Is that sweet? And we've been riding this with QLD. Fell on a slight pickup in volume. Trend is still up, but we won't get sloppy. NASDAQ, this is the non-leveraged Qs. Cloud computing, fairly strong. Fell a little bit. Trend has still been grinding up. Silver. What would this been telling you a couple weeks ago, a month ago? Hey, maybe we should look at some silver stocks. There you go. Steel, just flopping around, nothing really special. Semiconductors, technology related, has had a nice trend. Good. S&P 500 closed near the highs. You see this? Pretty good. Now, look at this. Here's the spiders closing right near the highs on a pickup in volume. And here's QQQ closing down on a pickup in volume. The NASDAQ 100 closed down. Trend is still up, but on Friday it closed down on a pickup in volume, and the spiders closed up on a pickup in volume. The S&P 500. Well, maybe it's going to start leading a bit more. We'll have to watch it. Continued onwards. SSO, similar situation. Solar, I mean, so look at that. What has that been done for? Hey, look at the solar stocks. Here's the weekly. I see a cup and a handle. Look at that break right there. That's the kind of stuff you look for. Small cap picking up. Shows the rally may be spreading out, as I pointed out. Aerospace. There's nothing here. Move on. Biotechnologies had a good run through here. It's pulled back a little bit. What's the catalyst for this? And you don't really know what the catalyst was or is. Just the charts will tell you. What was it? Well, it's COVID-19. Home builders. I showed this last week. I'll show it again. Boy, the economy's dying. Yeah, and the home building index hitting all-time highs. Follow the charts. Basic materials hanging in there. Nice. That's good to see. Communications. Been grinding on up. Technology related. Energy. Nothing. I mean, don't overthink it. It's like there's nothing here. Well, maybe it's gone. There's nothing there. Just move on. Financials starting to pick up a little bit. That could be a plus. See the financials leading a bit. Still below the 200-day. Industrials. Look at that. The industrials are picking up. Here's the weekly on this. Now, they're picking up, but they're still lagging pretty much. Would be nice for them to take out the top of that bar, though, wouldn't it? Let's continue onwards. Volume pickup on Friday. Industrials. Technology. Duh. What do you think we've been involved with for a long time? Months. Technology. I bet you have too. I hope you have. By doing this every week, you have an edge. We do this in Mission Winners. We show this video. We talk about these every frickin' day. And it gives us an edge. Consumer staples. Look at that. Grinding on up. Nice to see. Still lagging a bit, but it is lifting. Shows the rally spreading out a bit. Utilities, yeah, really nothing there. Healthcare, hanging in there. Look at that. All-time highs, healthcare. Possibly related to the COVID deal, but that's it. Consumer discretionary. Discretionary spending. Well, maybe we don't need that, Florence. Maybe we should wait. Okay, we can sure wait on that, Joey. Or you can look at the chart and say, oh my, all-time highs. The charts talk. I don't really care about the headlines. Metals and mining hanging in there, that's okay. Retailing, check this out. Look at that. All-time highs. Man, oh man, everything's going bankrupt. It's the end of the dang world. Yeah, and the retailing index is at all-time highs. By the way, please don't think that, oh, Pat's just Mr. Euphoric, Mr. Optimistic all the time. No, you know what I am? A guy that just looks at the charts. They'll tell me what to do. No opinions. Let the charts tell you what to do, and you will be better than most. And that's what we do here. Last one, software. Been grinding up. Nice trend. Look at the weekly. Technology related. You think we've been involved in software? Yeah, I hope you have too. If not, this is the stuff we do at Mission Winners. Going through these, giving people an edge, where to go and what to avoid. Buy strength. Focus on strength. Turn off the news. Anyway, I hope this helps you. Have a great weekend. Get away from the machines. Do other things. It's good. You know, a couple nights ago, where was I? Last night I was doing the stairs at the football stadium. How about that? So anyway, that's what we're after. Have a good, safe night. Have a good, safe weekend. Enjoy. We'll be ready to rock and roll on Monday.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.